hit her head. She hit her head. It's okay. Hi. Is she okay? Is that normal? What's the matter? Michaela. Hey. David, is that okay?
Sure.
What is she doing? This is all I've learned from You Baby Can Read. Shaking my head no. Hey, Michaela. Michaela. This is kind of scary.
Michaela,
Why is she shaking her head like that?
what are you doing?
Oh, she doesn't like the chargers.
No, she loves the charger. She's mad she can't. They're not on yet. She's not in a charger outfit. That's why she's mad.
Oh. What's she doing?
Stop recording now.